Inong Pyrthei kubor ibalong ru inong thokot bapau khmat ikong Patricia Mukhim ila pelat ya Artylli kikot jong i bala ai kerteng from isolation to integration, navigating the geopolitics of India's northeast 1990 to 2023. La pelat yakini kikot ha Heritage Club Tripura Castle da u Home Secretary Barim UGK Pyllait unong yo ya kekusnam Padmashri Umanas Chowdhury na lor kiwei. Kini kikot kila ai kecing tip ke bakham bania syapang Jingkylla jong ke kam Sain Pyrthei ha Thain Shatai lamingi ha kini kilai post nem balalen kabakren Halor kipang kum kecing itu kecing perjing mud bat kecing penyeso ha bakren bat kadudarshan ikong Patricia ila penpau ya kecing sngau komen jong i ha kecing chop ban pelat ya ka bat ila pensha ya kecing kongsan jong kakot na kabenta ki start wat bania ki khna puli bat kinong hikai.
It's about all the states of the northeast and our relation vis-a-vis India. It's a kind of, this is history in the making. So it'll make it easy for research students, research scholars, and for academics to, if they want to know about a certain period of history, they can go to this book and reference it from there. So it's a great moment. Because if we do not compile it in book form, if it's only there in the newspapers, people will throw it away and forget about it. But this makes it a real living history.
U MLA gajirang uba sustenance